Do you want to speed up your existing video for your Instagram reel? Follow these easy steps to do it. As you can see right now, I'm in my Insta application. And now I want to make a reel using my recorded video. So I'm tapping on this plus icon and selecting reel. And now I'm going to scroll down and searching for the video. Maybe this one. Now to speed up or change these existing video speed, I'm tapping on speed and I'm selecting here 3x. And here we can see the video has been successfully fast forwarded. You can tap on speed. You can select 4x. And to make the video slow, tap on speed and you can select 0.3x or 0.5x. This is how we can speed up our existing video for Instagram reel. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.